Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I did this completely braidless crochet braids. You do not need any cornrows to complete this hairstyle. So yeah, just keep on watching if you guys want to see how I did it. So first thing you want to do is section your hair into two. You don't want to section half of your hair. This is not half up, half down. What I did was I sectioned like from the back of one ear to the back of the other ear. Next thing, I'm going to take this Murray's Beeswax and this 24-hour edge tamer by Ebin, I believe, and you just want to use that just to make the braids slicker. Even though I'm so terrible at braiding my own hair, but I just you want to use that to make it look nicer basically. So as you guys can see, first of all I started doing like flat twist, but my hair is so thin in front, so it was just looking weird. I actually wanted to complete the style like with no braids at all, but just because my hair was so thin it was looking weird, and I just said that twice and I don't know why. But you can either do flat twist or you can do braids. I decided to do like regular cornrows in front, but anyways, when I started I used the flat twist, and then I went in with like this rubber bands, and you want to put some oil. The oil I was putting was olive oil, and you want to put some oil just so that the rubber band doesn't dry out your hair. Also, if you are watching and you've not subscribed, I don't know what you are doing, like subscribe already. So I did a couple of the twists and I just did not like how the front of my hair was looking, so I decided to do regular cornrows. But you don't have to do cornrows, okay? Anyways, put the rest of your hair in a low ponytail. See guys, my hair is growing, like, are you seeing? Hey. But anyways, I went in with two scrunchies to make the ponytail smaller than, like, small enough basically. So next thing I'm going to do is just try to put the braids out of the way. So you guys just watch what I'm doing. I feel like I'm talking too much. So after doing that, the next thing you're going to do is like this video and subscribe. Seriously guys, if you're watching, like, just subscribe and like just do it please. Thank you, I love you. So now that that's done, this is the hair I'm going to be using today, and as usual the details will be in the description box below. Shout out to Samsbeauty for sending me this beautiful hair. Anyways, moving on to the fun part, the crochet part. Literally guys, all you have to do is now just do the regular crochet braid method on your hair, like no cornrows guys. This was so fast. You can do 2 knots or 3 knots. Sometimes I did 2 knots, sometimes I did 3 knots, but sincerely 2 knots should be sufficient. For the ponytail, for your natural ponytail to cover it, you just want to crochet on top of the ponytail. That way, like, when the hair drops down, like, no one will see your natural hair, because we want people to think it's our hair now. Normal. So anyways, just going to do this for the rest of your hair literally, and that is the hairstyle. I'm going to show you guys different ways that I styled this hair towards the end of this video. So if you guys want to see options on how to style it, then go to the end of the video. But don't go to the end of the video yet. Keep watching the video. What I say, that just ignore that, okay? So now we are done crocheting all of the hair in, and I'm just going to go ahead and do my edges. You know, we got to be extra. I was a little too extra on my edges this day, but it's okay. Next thing, you want to go in with this pump it up spritz. This is just going to help the hair, like, because you put all the whole edge control and all that, it's just going to make the hair lay a lot flatter. Now I am finally done, and I'm going to put my hair rings. And oh my gosh, guys, like, are you seeing me? Like, I look like a baby girl. Like, excuse me. Next, going with this olive oil sheen spray, and that's just going to make the hair look shinier. I know, like you do it in a salon, and you're looking like a sweet chocolate caramel topping coffee. Wow, baby girl, you are sweet. But anyways, guys, that is the hairstyle. This is what the back looks like. So as you can see, my little ponytail is not showing. You cannot see it. It is camouflaged. It is under. Next, I am going to show you guys several hairstyles that I did with this hair. So yeah, I'm going to keep quiet right now and let you guys watch. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment before you leave, because you're amazing. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Just keep watching till the end. Bye.